Yeah, very good afternoon to all of you guys. Now I am going to take mock interview of one of my students. He is from Uttarakhand, okay, and interview is of Nainital Bank PO. So get in touch with me for upcoming interviews, and if you want to take mock interviews, guidance and classes, my number is 7503 235358. One offer is going on for all interview till 31st March 2025. It is very good offer for you guys, and those who are blind and handicapped students, they will get a special privilege from my side. Okay, start, beta.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, very good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine, sir.
First of all, tell me the meaning of your name.
Sir, my name is Shikha Bhadoria, and my name has three meaning. The one is flame, second is speak, and it denotes positivity, energy, and the third one is the hairstyle used by Brahmins, and this defines their devotion to the god.
Good. Sikha is from MP. Maybe अगर मैंने उत्तराखंड बोल दिया हो तो sorry for that. Sikha is from MP and she filled the form of Nainital Bank. Okay. Briefly introduce yourself, Shikha.
Sir, I am Shikha Bhadoria. I have been the top achiever in 10th and 12th, and I have completed my graduation from Kamla Raja Girls College, Madhya Pradesh. I used to live in a joint family with my uncle, aunt, grandmother, mother, father, an elder brother, and a twin sister. We share a good bond. And my mother is a housewife. My father used to work in a business of transport. I have a hobby of diary writing, and I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh.
Why Gwalior is famous?
Sir, Gwalior is famous for various reasons. Firstly, in 2023, UNESCO described Gwalior as City of Music, and it is famous for Gwalior Fort, the World Heritage Site, and for Gwalior Fair.
What is the name? What is the name of your college? You told me that.
My college name is Kamla Raja Girls College.
Tell me something about that Kamla Raja.
Sir, Mary Kamla Raja was a princess, and she was the daughter of Gwalior King Madhav Rao Sindhia.
Okay. Who is Madhav Rao Sindhia?
Sindhia was the king of Gwalior, and he's belonged from Sindhia family, and now there is no rule of king in Gwalior.
सिंधिया फैमिली से अभी मोदी जी की कैबिनेट में कोई है?
Yes, sir.
कौन है और किस पोस्ट पे हैं? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, देख लीजिएगा. भूतपूर्व सीएम जो रह चुके हैं उनका क्या नाम था और वो मोदी जी के कैबिनेट में किस पोस्ट पर हैं?
Sir, he was Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and now he is in Agriculture Ministry.
Who is currently CM and Governor of MP?
The current CM of Madhya Pradesh is Mohan Yadav, and the Governor of Madhya Pradesh is Shri Mangubhai C. Patel.
Highest branches of Nainital Bank is in which state?
In Uttar Pradesh, that is 44.
It is Uttar Pradesh or Uttarakhand?
Uttarakhand, sorry sir.
Uttarakhand. Total state?
Total, it has branches in 5 states, 55 cities. These states are UP, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Haryana.
Chairman of Nainital Bank, headquarter and tagline.
Nainital Bank chairman is Shri N.K. Chari. Its headline is Banking with Personal Touch, and its headquarter is in Uttarakhand, Nainital.
It is scheduled commercial bank?
Yes, sir, it is a scheduled commercial bank because it comes in the RBI Act 1949. 2E.
It comes under RBI Act 1934.
34.
RBI Act is 1934. RBI is nationalized in 1949. And
Sir,
Banking
RBI
Regulation Act is 1949.
Okay, RBI Banking Regulation Act 1949.
Yeah. RBI Act 1934 में आया था. RBI का नेशनलाइजेशन 1949 में हुआ था.
Sir, my father
sorry. RBI Act 1934, RBI formation 1935 and Banking Regulation Act 1949.
Sir, my father call is coming and I am the only one in the house and have this phone on. Can I talk to him?
Okay, okay. No
Sorry,
issue.
sir.
No issue. Okay, Shikha, as you are from MP, and if we will posted you anywhere in these states in Nainital Bank branch, then how will you manage in remote areas and rural areas?
Sir, while filling the form, I was mentally prepared that I can be posted anywhere and I am a self dependent girl and I am very adaptable and flexible towards my task. And this will make me easily adapt that environment. And with good communication skill and public dealing, I can tackle with any kind of environment, even it is rural, semi-urban, or urban.
Okay. Shikha, as we all know that banks are regulated by Reserve Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
There are 3 new members from government side under the monetary policy committee. There are total 6 members. बट 3 मेंबर्स को गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने नए नियुक्त किए हैं. पहले के 3 लोग जो हैं उनका कार्यकाल पूरा हो गया. तो नए 3 लोगों का नाम बताइए.
Yes, sir. These three are, first one is Shri Nagesh Kumar, second one is Shri Mrs. Saugata Bhattacharya, and third one is Shri Ram Singh. As the tenure of Government of India employee is 4 years, so they has to be changed.
Okay, what is monetary policy?
Monetary policy is a tool by which the RBI maintain the inflation and stability in the market and ensure that there will be economic growth and full employment.
Okay, you heard about that. There are quantitative and qualitative tools.
Yes, sir.
Okay, repo rate comes under quantitative or qualitative?
Sir, repo rate come under quantitative.
What is repo rate?
Repo rate is a rate by which RBI gives loan to the banking sector banks. This is a rate of 6.5% and it is continuously unchanged from 9th monetary policies.
Two difference between CASA.
Okay. CASA is the abbreviation for current account and saving account. Current account is generally for businessmen and saving account is for normal person. In current account, there is no provision of interest, but in saving account, interest is given to the customer.
Okay, two difference between check and DD.
Okay, DD is the abbreviation for demand draft, and check is the negotiable instrument. It comes under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, Section 5. Check is drawn by any person, but in DD, it is only drawn by bank. DD are quite secure and quite be not, there's no limit of NPA that it can be NPA, but in check there's a chances of NPA.
एनपीए नहीं बोलेंगे बेटा. चेक बाउंस कर सकता है. चेक कैन बी बाउंस बट ए डीडी कैन नॉट बाउंस. इट इज प्रीपेड. नॉट यूज द एनपीए वर्ड ओवर देयर. ओके, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट you are having a bank account?
Yes, sir.
In which bank?
Sir, Punjab National Bank.
Okay, who is the chairman?
Its chairman is.
Okay, no issue. Just check
Sir,
it.
I'm
No
not
issue, no
sure.
issue. हेडक्वार्टर एंड टैगलाइन बताइए. देख लीजिएगा, छोटी सी
Its
चीजें हैं.
headquarter is in New Delhi and its tagline is banking with personal touch.
ओके ओके, वेरी गुड. अभी हाल ही में आपने सुना होगा कि न्यूज़ में था आपका 2 स्टेट्स में इलेक्शंस हो गए हैं और उनका रिजल्ट आ चुका है. तो इन दोनों जगह पे कौन सी पार्टी जीती है?
Sir, these elections were held in Jammu Kashmir and Haryana.
जम्मू कश्मीर एंड हरियाणा. ओके,
Yes,
और
sir.
आज के न्यूज़पेपर में 2 स्टेट्स के इलेक्शन कमीशन ने डेट्स घोषित किए हैं कि यहाँ यहाँ इंटरव्यूज होंगे. मतलब यहाँ यहाँ आपके इंटरव्यूज बोल रहा हूँ, यहाँ यहाँ इलेक्शंस होंगे.
Yes, sir.
किन
Sir, I
जगहों
have
पे?
not read the newspaper of today. I have read the tomorrow.
ओके ओके, नो इशू बेटा. आज ये घोषणा किया गया है कि महाराष्ट्र में और झारखंड में इलेक्शंस होंगे.
अंदर आ जाइए.
ओके, टेल मी
Yes, sir.
समथिंग अबाउट आपने सुना होगा CRR, कैश रिजर्व रेशियो.
Yes, sir.
CRR का डेफिनेशन बताइए.
Sir, CR cash reserve ratio is a ratio that should be maintained by a bank in RBI, and for this there is no interest provision for the bank, and It is 4.5% of the NDTL, that is net time and deposit liability.
नेट डिमांड एंड टाइम लायबिलिटी,
NDTL, okay. Net demand
एनडीटीएल। एनडीटीएल को एक्सप्लेन कर पाएंगी?
Yes, sir.
धीरे धीरे बताइए।
Net demand and time liability is the difference between assets and liability of the bank of a particular day. Total net demand and time liability will be the 22.5% of the total assets of bank.
डिमांड डिपॉजिट, इसमें दो चीज और जोड़ दो ना बेटा। नेट मतलब टोटल, नेट डिमांड एंड टाइम लायबिलिटी। लायबिलिटी मतलब बैंक का दायित्व है। नेट में क्या, नेट और लायबिलिटी, यानी कि डिमांड डिपॉजिट में कासा आ गया और टाइम डिपॉजिट में रेकरिंग डिपॉजिट और फिक्स डिपॉजिट आ गया। जब एन और टी को जोड़ दिए तो ये इंडिविजुअल या किसी का पैसा बैंक में है तो ये बैंक के लिए लायबिलिटी हो गया। एंड व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट एसेट्स ऑफ ए बैंक? तो बिगेस्ट एसेट्स ऑफ ए बैंक व्हेन द लोन इज गिवन एंड इट इज रिकवर्ड विथ इंटरेस्ट।
Okay.
नैनीताल बैंक का होम पेज पे गई हैं, कोई इनका स्कीम वगैरह देखा है आपने?
Yes, sir. I have seen numerous schemes. First one is Nanny Go Loan. In this, the age limit 18 to 70. The loan of 20 lakh will be provided to the customer, and the loan repayment is of 1 year. And other schemes were also present. For the second one is for the installation of medical facility, that is their equipment. In this, the 400 crore 400 lakh loan will be provided, and its repayment year is 7 years.
Okay. Is there any relation between Nainital Bank and Bank of Baroda?
Yes, sir. Nainital Bank is the subsidiary of Bank of Baroda. In 1973, it has been acquired by Bank of Baroda, and Bank of Baroda has 98.43% stake in Nainital Bank.
Good. Very good. बेटा आपने मुद्रा स्कीम सुना है?
Yes, sir.
माइक्रो यूनिट
It is-
डेवलपमेंट एंड रीफाइनेंस एजेंसी।
Yes, sir.
इसके तीन अंदर आते हैं, उनका नाम बताइए और ये क्या होता है?
Mudra scheme is the scheme in which are provided to MSME, micro, small, medium enterprise. It has 3 parts: Shishu, Kishore, Tarun. In Shishu category, we can get the loan amount from 0 to 50,000, and in Kishore, we can get loan amount of 50,000 to 1 lakh, and in Tarun, from 1 lakh to 10 lakh loan will be provided. Now the limit has been extended up to 20 lakh.
Okay. Now just try to give the upcoming answer in Hindi language, because if they will ask some of the question in Hindi, you can give the answer in Hindi, but you are comfortable in English, then if they are asking in the question in English, then go for English. Okay.
sir.
आफ्टर सम टाइम, कुछ दिनों के बाद आपकी शादी हो जाएगी, तो आप अपने घर को, ब्रांच को और नए जगह पे कैसे मैनेज करेंगी?
सर, जैसा कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा पार्टनर मुझे अंडरस्टैंड करता हूँ और मेरे वर्क को इक्वल इम्पोर्टेंस देता हूँ जैसे मैं उसके वर्क को दूंगी, तो मैं अपने काम को तो नहीं छोड़ूंगी, और अगर हमें दूर रहना पड़ेगा तो उसके लिए भी मैं अपने इन-लॉज के अपने साथ रखूंगी ताकि उनकी टेक केयर कर सकूं, और हम ट्रैवल कर लेंगे एक दूसरे से मिलने के लिए।
ओके। आपकी क्या क्वालिटी है जिसकी वजह से हम आपको सेलेक्ट करें?
सर, I have a good communication skill, good public dealing, good listener, and a quick learner, and very flexible and very adaptable to any kind of environment.
Okay. Shikha, who is currently the Chief Justice of India?
Chief Justice of India is Shri D.Y. Chandrachud.
Honorable D.Y. Chandrachud. नेक्स्ट कौन बनने वाले हैं?
Sir, I'm not aware about this.
ओके। संजीव खन्ना नेक्स्ट बनने वाले हैं।
संजीव खन्ना।
या अभी हमेशा न्यूज में रहते हैं, एससीओ के समिट को भी लेकर के न्यूज में है, संघाई कोऑपरेशन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। हमारे एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर कौन है?
ऑनरेबल एस जयशंकर सर।
मध्य प्रदेश में ही कहीं से चुनाव लड़ती थी, अब नहीं रही, बहुत ही अच्छी नेता थी बीजेपी की, जिनका नाम था सुषमा स्वराज।
यस सर।
वो एमपी में कहाँ से चुनाव लड़ती थी, किस जगह से? वी से नाम है उस जगह, वी फॉर वैन।
वाराणसी।
एमपी में वाराणसी आता है? विदिशा।
विदिशा, ओके।
विदिशा। आपका इंटरव्यू अच्छा जा रहा है, कूल एंड काम रहिए, टेंशन मत लीजिए। ओके बेटा, आप मुझे ये बता दीजिए, आपने सुना भी होगा कि बैड बैंक लेकर के आया एनपीओ को रिकवरी करने के लिए।
यस सर।
व्हाट इज बैड बैंक?
Bad banks are the bank which used to reconstruct the NPA, non-performing asset. It is a kind of asset reconstruction company, but it's a wholly owned by Government of India.
ओके। आपने सुना है आरबीआई का टोकनाइजेशन सिस्टम, जो आरबीआई ने फ्रॉड वगैरह को कम करने के लिए लेके आया है?
Yes sir.
व्हाट इज दिस टोकनाइजेशन सिस्टम?
Tokenization system is a system in which there is a token or a number is provided to every device by which there is no frauds and hacking will be possible, because if the number will be get by any fraud person, then it will not work on their device. The number will only work on the particular device.
Good. Last question, why we select you, Shikha?
Sir, I have a good communication skill and good listener, and I'm flexible and I'm very devoted to my work, and I will be the asset of a bank and not the liability.
Good. Very good. Guys, now I am going to give feedback to Shikha. एक क्वेश्चन में कंफ्यूजन था जो कि मैंने बाय मिस्टेक गलत बता दिया. ओके, इजी है, ये तो कॉन्सेप्ट का चीज़ नहीं है. ईयर था आरबीआई एक्ट 1934 में आया था. देन आरबीआई का फॉर्मेशन 1935 में हुआ अगले साल, और आपका आरबीआई का नेशनलाइजेशन जो है वो 1949 में हुआ. ठीक है, बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट 1949 का है, याद रखना है. ठीक है गाइस, आप मुझसे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं किसी भी इंटरव्यू के मॉक के लिए. मेरा नंबर है 7503235358. ओके, मैं अपने स्टूडेंट को फीडबैक देता हूं. गेट इन टच विथ मी फॉर एनी बैंक इंटरव्यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.